Got a good deal here. This was just posted. It might be one of the new deals. Buy one get one free. So don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals. Price glitches. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So we got the Milwaukee M12, 12-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo with 2 batteries, charger in the bag. So there it is. So it is $249. Not the lowest we've seen. We've seen actually lower than this, but it does come with the buy one get one free. So you go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the free gift, which is a 5 amp hour battery. And this is one of the ones we saw, but we didn't go on over specifically. So let's go on over, see what we're discounts. So yeah, so the kit that drops down to 164, 164.02. The battery drops down to $84, which is, the battery is not really a deal. The deal is the tool, the tool set for 164. That's a great value. You can return that battery. However, I wouldn't abuse this, so you can just do it once and that's it. So, but I wouldn't abuse it because Home Depot, who knows what they got going on in their system, you know. But yeah, this is the kit. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video. It might be on the YouTube shopping cart. And let's see here. So the first tool is the M12 half-inch hammer drill and driver. The next one down is a 1/4 inch impact driver. You're getting a CP 2 amp hour battery with lithium M12, and then you're getting an M12 red lithium XC 4 amp hour battery. You're getting the M12 charger, a contractor bag. So you're getting all that for 164. I think that's a great value. Personally, I use these tools a lot, especially if you don't need the power of a full-size impact driver. These are a little bit more compact, a little bit easier to handle, especially if you're going to be using it, up on the ceiling or somewhere higher and just, need something that's lighter. You got most powerful subcompact hammer drill, fastest subcompact impact driver, most compact, mechanical design, on-you chuck, half-inch metal ratcheting, a work light variable speed trigger, premium rubber overmold, battery gauge. Yeah, so the battery gauge is on the tool itself. It's not on the battery. Belt clip, 400 inch-pounds of peak torque, power straight brushless motor. And there you go. So I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.